Dear friends, today let us make a 5-minute garlic bread which is gluten-free and so easy to make. We need gluten-free bread for this. I am taking my own loaf which I have baked. You may buy it from the market. Apart from this, we need butter, 80 grams. The butter quantity will depend on the number of garlic breads you are making. Freshly grated garlic, finely grated hard cheese, this may be any cheese of your liking, garlic bread or pizza or mixed herb seasoning, salt as per taste, fresh basil leaves, this is optional. Now this is my own loaf which I have baked and I have shared this recipe on my channel. Now I'll cut it, the slices may be cut into thick or thin as per your liking. The thick ones will give a very rich result, whereas the thin ones are more likely to be crispy. Add the butter, add enough butter to the garlic and microwave it for 10 seconds on high. Mix it well and let it sit for some time. After that, add the herbs, that is garlic bread or pizza seasoning or mixed herb seasoning, that is up to your liking. This is optional, you may add a little bit of red chili powder for that extra punch. And you may cut the fresh basil leaves into small pieces and then add it. Salt is as per your taste, if you require you can add. Now slather this, there should be enough butter in this mix. Slather this mix very well on the slices and then spread the shredded cheese. The cheese should be very finely shredded, as much as you want on each bread slice, and keep it on a hot tawa. On a hot non-stick pan is much better. Cover it and cook it till all the butter melts. Now the flame should be kept from low to medium. Once all the cheese has melted, your entire house will be filled with the aroma of garlic bread and be ready. They will be disappearing in a minute. Take them out on a plate and you may spread more of the cheese, grated cheese, or seasoning, or as I have done, I have added red chili powder on top. You can hear for yourself how crunchy they have become. And the underside is also cooked. So this is an easy afternoon, evening, anytime snack for that matter. Please do share and subscribe to Gluten Free India, and do share and do try out this recipe. Thank you.